Guys, welcome to Borderless Kitchen. Today we're making pizza dough from scratch. It's a very easy recipe, so just follow along and make your own pizza the way you like it. Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to make pizza dough from scratch. So we're gonna begin. We've got lukewarm milk right here in the cup. We're gonna add in basically dry yeast into the milk to activate the yeast by just adding it into the warm milk. And then we're also adding just a little bit of sugar as well. And now we're just going to take a spoon and mix it, and this is what is going to activate the yeast in the milk that we're going to be using to knead the dough. So guys, you can see we've really tried to mix it super well into the milk, and it might take you a few minutes. It did take us a couple minutes to do that. And now we're going to go on to the next stage, which is cracking an egg. Just one egg is all you need. Try and have this egg be of room temperature, you know, a really basic stepping stone for all baking and you know, any sort of cooking. You know, you do want the egg to be of room temperature. We're just going to now add in that milk and yeast into that egg, and again mix it all really well. Now we're gonna add all-purpose flour into the milk, egg, and yeast mixture that we have. And right after that, we're gonna begin kneading the dough. Of course, we're doing it by hand, but feel free to use, if you do have a mixer that can knead the dough, that is completely fine to use. What we're also going to add is, of course, a pinch of salt. As you can see in the shadow, it's coming. We'll have the recipe at the end, so you don't have to worry about, you know, how much salt I'm putting in here. And we're going to now just begin to knead the dough. We're now going to add in some olive oil. And also some more flour. And this time we're not doing all-purpose, we're doing whole wheat. And just work your way into it. You don't need to dump it all together, just so it's easier to, you know, come together. And here we have it. The dough is ready. We do need to let it rest for about an hour. And if you do have more time, more is better, because all we need to do is let it rest and for the yeast to work its way and have the, you know, dough essentially double up in size and become fermented.
Hey guys, so I wanted to be able to show you what the pizza dough final product actually looks like. So as I showed at the very beginning, we did obviously make a pizza with vegetables all over. And we cooked it in the oven at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And we did do a broil because I did want my cheese to be, you know, extra brown and bubbly on the top. But that is not what's important here. What's important is the actual bread of the pizza. So here we have the picture of the final product, and as you can see, it's airy. It's got those little bubbles inside, and that's what makes it really a soft pizza base. So just wanted to show you the final product. Hopefully you get to try it, and please leave comments on you know, how your pizza dough went.